Hayes here, TNG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, do I have quite the rig for y'all today. This is a Fridge 60, and as you can see, she's got a couple custom options on her. This is going to my man Kevin, and he's making the drive down here tomorrow to pick this thing up. So I know he's fired up about it, but I wanted y'all to check it out. So we'll start up front here. Now, he has added a 10-inch burner underneath here. So you got a 10-inch propane burner. We'll have a griddle top that sits on top of here, removable griddle top. So you can be griddling over here while you're smoking. Hey, we love griddling. It's fast, easy, because sometimes you ain't got time to smoke all day, or hey, sometimes you want a little lunch while you're smoking. So hey, fire your griddle up, get it going. Now we'll check out the smoke chamber here. Like I said, this is our Fridge 60 model. So it's 60 inches wide, 24 inches deep. You get 3 sliding trays in here. Now Kevin actually had us add in some extra slides here to where he can move these grates around, or if he ever wanted some extra grates, he'd call us. We'll ship him a couple extra grates to go in there. Now, this is a reverse flow smoker, guys, so it's got removable reverse flow plates down in here, but that directs the smoke all the way across and out the stack, so it makes for pretty even cooking temperatures in there. You've got a lot of room in a Fridge 60, guys. This is a big smoker. All 1/4-inch plate steel. You can see he did upgrade to that stainless steel front shelf. Great option there, guys. Looks good, cleans up quick. Still got your paper towel utensil holder. And now check this bad girl out here. So we ended up building him an extra long firebox here for his Fridge 60 because he wanted a Santa Maria grill over the firebox. So that came out pretty slick there, guys. So it's separate from the firebox. So you build your fire on top of it right here. It's got grease traps on both sides of it. Raise your grate up, lower it back down. That came out really good, guys. These are fun to cook on, draws attention for sure. So we love those Santa Maria grills. Check out the firebox here. Like I said, all 1/4-inch plate steel. Still have your fire management cradle in there as well. Come around to the back side. Come around the back side, Lawson. Show this. Kevin knows the deal, guys. If you get a fridge, you got to get that rear folding shelf. So really heavy duty. Tons of room back here. Prep off this, serve off of it. Sit down on it. Take your break if you want to, and just fold right back up out of the way. So we love that. And check out that custom stainless steel logo. One of the more badass logos we've done. As you can see, he's got custom logos all around this thing. And how about that off-road package too? He's got those upgraded wheels from our friend Mods down in Texas. They can come out slick. Guys, this is quite the smoker right here. Came out really great. Super happy with it. Sad to see this one go, but hey, we'll get in there and build something else. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.